In Mastercam, creating, translating and mirroring toolpaths are common operations for machining parts efficiently and accurately. Here's a complete guide of the operations. Let's start with creating a toolpath. Open Mastercam and load your part. Select the toolpath type, define toolpath parameters and generate the toolpath. To move or translate an existing toolpath, select the toolpath, use the transform toolpath, define translation parameters and verify the translation. To mirror a toolpath, define mirroring parameters and verify the mirrored toolpath. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your toolpaths in Mastercam, making adjustments as needed for different machining scenarios. Subscribe for more such interesting tech tips. And if you are interested in upgrading your CNC career, join Millwright and get Mastercam training today.